Right now, at this very moment, wars are spreading across continents, leaders are openly lying to millions, children are being raised without moral compass, and the gap between the rich and the poor has never been wider in recorded history. Scientists call it social collapse. Politicians call it a crisis. But 5,000 years ago, ancient Indian sages called it by its exact name, Kali Yuga, the age of darkness. And they described everything we are living through today, with chilling, almost impossible accuracy. This is not mythology. This is a warning that was always meant for us. To understand Kali Yuga, you must first understand the Vedic concept of cosmic time, the Chatur Yuga cycle. Ancient Hindu scriptures describe 4 ages, or yugas, that repeat like the seasons of the universe. First comes Satya Yuga, the golden age, 1,728,000 years of pure truth and divine consciousness. Then Treta Yuga, 1,296,000 years. Then Dwapara Yuga, 864,000 years. And finally, Kali Yuga, the darkest, shortest, and most turbulent age, lasting 432,000 years. According to the Srimad Bhagavatam, Kali Yuga began on 17th February 3102 BCE, the exact moment Lord Krishna departed from earth. Here is where it gets extraordinary. The Bhagavata Purana, written over 3,000 years ago, lists specific signs that will appear during Kali Yuga. Read them slowly. Leaders will be thieves. People will abandon their parents in old age. Rain will become erratic, crops will fail. Men will openly display wealth to gain respect, not virtue. Children will rule over parents. The length of human life will drastically decrease. Now open any newspaper from 2024. Every single one of these signs is not a prediction anymore, it is a headline. The ancients did not just guess. They knew. But perhaps the most staggering proof lies in what the Vishnu Purana says about Kali Yuga's effect on human biology itself. It states that as Kali Yuga progresses, human beings will grow physically smaller, mentally weaker, and live dramatically shorter lives. Archaeological records support this. Skeletal remains from the Indus Valley civilization around 3000 BCE show average heights of nearly 5 feet 10 inches. Medieval skeletons dropped to 5 feet 5 inches. Ancient texts also predicted average human lifespan would fall from hundreds of years in previous ages to barely 100, and still declining. Science confirmed what the sages wrote in Sanskrit millennia ago. Now here is a revelation that crosses every civilization on earth. The ancient Greeks called the same age the Iron Age, where justice died and the gods abandoned humanity. The book of Daniel in the Bible describes 4 kingdoms, gold, silver, bronze, and iron, and warns that the Iron Age will be broken in pieces before divine restoration. And in Islam, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, described signs of the last hour that mirror Kali Yuga with frightening precision: widespread adultery, alcohol openly consumed, time feeling shorter, knowledge disappearing, and leaders betraying trust. 4 traditions. 1 truth. 1 warning. Let us talk about something no history book will tell you directly. The Mahabharata War of Kurukshetra, one of the largest recorded ancient conflicts, occurred precisely at the junction of Dwapara and Kali Yuga around 3100 BCE. 18 million warriors died in just 18 days, according to the Mahabharata text itself. After this war, Lord Krishna ascended, Dharma collapsed, and Kali, described as a dark demonic force, not just an age, physically entered the world. The Bhagavata Purana says King Parikshit, Krishna's grandson, actually encountered the spirit of Kali in the form of a man beating a cow, a powerful symbol of Dharma being attacked. We are now approximately 5,126 years into Kali Yuga, which means we are in its earliest phase, and yet look at what the world already looks like. The full duration is 432,000 years. If things are already this chaotic this early, what did the sages foresee for the distant future? The Kalki Purana answers this directly. It says that near the end of Kali Yuga, the 10th avatar of Lord Vishnu, Kalki, will descend on a white horse, sword blazing, to destroy evil and restore dharma. Remarkably, Islamic tradition also speaks of Isa ibn Maryam, Jesus, returning on a white horse at the end of times. The same image, the same mission, across two entirely separate civilizations. So how do we survive Kali Yuga? The ancient sages did not just warn us, they gave us precise tools. The Srimad Bhagavatam states, Kali Yuga's only saving grace is that liberation can be achieved through the simplest means, the chanting of God's name. In Satya Yuga, enlightenment required 10,000 years of meditation. In Treta Yuga, complex fire rituals. In Dwapara Yuga, elaborate temple worship. But in Kali Yuga, one sincere prayer, one moment of genuine devotion, one act of compassion, carries the weight of what once took thousands of years. The darkest age also contains the most powerful spiritual shortcut ever given to humanity. The sages called this the hidden gift inside the darkness. Here is the bigger cosmic picture that will change how you see everything. The entire Chatur Yuga cycle, all four ages combined, lasts 4,320,000 years. 1,000 such cycles make one single day of Brahma, the creator god. That is 4.32 billion years, almost exactly matching the current scientific estimate of Earth's age at 4.5 billion years. This is not coincidence. This is ancient mathematics meeting modern astrophysics. The Vedic sages calculated cosmic time with the precision of a nuclear clock, without telescopes, without computers, without satellites. And if they were right about the age of the Earth to within 4% accuracy, why would we doubt their description of the age we are living in right now? Every crisis you see today, the division, the confusion, the moral fog, is not random. It was written. It was predicted. And more importantly, it was also given a way out. The ancients who mapped this age of darkness did not do so to frighten us. They did it to prepare us. We are living through the most spiritually potent period in the entire cosmic cycle, where a single awakened soul can illuminate thousands. The darkness of Kali Yuga is real. But so is the light available within it. You were not born into this age by accident. You were born into it because you were meant to find this truth. Share this with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe for more hidden truths every week.